Good morning to all. As we all know, everywhere today, discussion about health. So, do you know what is health? What is the meaning of the term health? Health is a state of well-being. According to World Health Organization, health is a state of physical, mental, and social well-being. So it is an overall development of body, mind and soul. Health is wealth. So if we want to maintain a good health, we have to maintain a good mental health, sound mind in a sound body. So in this regard, I would like to tell a small story to maintain a good mental health. See, once what happened, a Buddhist monk was taking a class like a teacher among a group of small children, primary children like that. So when he was taking class to spread the Buddhism, he asked a question to the children. So, dear children, do you want to fly in the sky like an aeroplane, otherwise like a bird? All are interested to fly like a bird. So naturally the children are very happy. So all are shouting, "Sir, I want to fly like a bird. So please tell me." Teacher asked, "Okay, I agreed." So all are ready to go fly. But there is a mantra is there. So if you tell that mantra, so you can fly in the sky. So you see now what is the mantra to maintain to our good health and to get rid of the current situation like COVID-19. So what is the mantra? 3 mantras are. So always we should wear mask. Then frequently we have to wash our hands with soap or sanitizer. Another thing, always we have to maintain social distancing. So if we follow these 3 mantras, so we can get rid of COVID-19. So like that the monk was telling about 3 mantra. What is that mantra means? Buddham Saranam Gacchami. So if you tell this mantra, you can fly in the sky. So all children are very happy. Okay sir, ready to tell the mantra. Then teacher asked, the monk asked, so before that there is some conditions are there. So then only you can fly. Children are very curious, sir, what is that? What are the conditions? Then the teacher said, monk said, so you have to wake up early morning, 5 o'clock. Then take bath in the river. Then you wait for sunrise and do Surya Namaskar. Then after the Surya Namaskar, so if you tell this mantra, that is Buddham Saranam Gacchami, you can fly in the sky. Then, okay, it's very simple. So we're ready to do. We'll wake up at early morning, we'll take bath in the river, so we'll do the Surya Namaskar, so we'll tell the mantra, so definitely we'll fly in the sky. Children are very happy. But teacher said, so but one more condition is there. So that is, while telling this mantra, Buddham Saranam Gacchami, you should not think about monkey. There should not be, monkey should not come in your mind. The children are, sir, what you are telling about monkey, sir? Why we are going to think about monkey, sir? So we will concentrate only on the mantra only, sir. After Surya Namaskar, we will start telling the mantra. We are not going to think about monkey, sir. Okay, very good. The teacher said, but if monkey is coming in your mind while telling that mantra, you cannot fly. So that is the condition. Then children are very, okay sir, we are not going to think about the monkey. So next day, all children are ready. So they started taking bath in the river. So they took bath, waiting for the sunrise. And they started telling, they did Surya Namaskar. Then they started telling the mantra, Sir Buddham, Saranam, Gacchami. So at that time, what monk was telling, you should not think about monkey. So what he was telling not to do, so that is coming in the mind. So then the children are telling, Sir, monkey is coming in my mind. Then monk said, so that means you cannot fly. So whenever you are telling mantra, you should not think about monkey. So now you are telling, all are thinking in your mind, monkey is coming. So that means you cannot fly in the sky. Okay, next day you try. So like that, the children are coming. So every day they are doing practice and they are telling mantra. So while telling mantra time, so the monkey is coming in mind. So what is the principal idea behind this small story means? So dear children, you see, when you are studying, so your focus, your concentration, your attention should be in the studies only. So classroom teaching is going on. So if you are a keen observer, sure, you are listening very nicely. So you are receiving all the information what teachers are telling, parents are telling. So if you receive all this information, so definitely, so that you can keep it in your mind for long-term memory. So that is good for your studies, your concentration. When attention is more, definitely your concentration will be there. So that will increase your mental health. And over a longer period of time, you can keep whatever the concepts you have learned. So that is the thing. So what are the monkeys? You hear it is coming in your mind. You see, I can say 4C. 4C means one is computer, cable, cell phone, cricket. Now you see. So maximum time you are spending for this. Computer, cable, cell phone and cricket. So while you are spending much of your time, so your concentration is not focusing at a point, it is deviating in the different direction. When there is a mind diversion is there, so definitely that deviate your attention and concentration. And ultimately that will affect your mental health. So that is why you should concentrate in your studies by following a 4R technique. How I said the 4C technique, you avoid as much as possible. Like that you follow one 4R technique, such as read, recite, remember and recall. So read, recite, remember and recall. So just like that you see 4R technique is there for the environmental conservation, awareness of environment, such as reduce, reuse, refuse, recycle. Reduce, reuse, refuse, recycle. So this is for the environmental concern. Just like that for your study technique you follow one 4R technique like read, recite, remember, recall. So dear children, so all you concentrate in your studies to develop your mental health. So physical, mental and social well-being. So body, mind, soul. So for to maintain a good health, so we should coordinate all these things. So I hope all you will follow this, and with the discipline and determination we all march ahead and strengthen our nation. Jai Hind.